upcycle these cans into a snowman? You know we can. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks again for coming back. All right, so I have a can that I had from tomatoes. I painted it with 2 coats of chalk paint. Then I decided to use a dauber because it gave a little bit of a texture. Then I'm using some Ryobi wood biscuits. They don't have to be Ryobi. And I painted one orange, and I used chalk paint for that. Then I have a little can, and this can I think was from mushrooms, 2 coats of black, and the lid for the big can, 2 coats of black on that as well. Let them dry really well in between the coats. All right, once those are all dry, I put a really big well of glue on the big can lid, and then I put the little can on top. Do you see it? It's like a little top hat. I love it. All right, so then I have some ribbon, and I just cut it down because I want mine to look a little primitive. So I cut it, and then I kind of frayed it a bit, and then I'm just gluing it around the can where a brim would go, not a brim, where a hat decoration would go. Then I glued on a couple what are these, holly? Are these holly? I don't know. It came from a garland, likely from Dollar Tree or something, but look at how cute that hat is. All right. So then I draw a couple ovals on the big can. And I'm putting that wood biscuit on it just for reference, like where do I want the eyes? How big do I want them? And then I paint it black. I'm using a multi-surface paint. I suppose you could use paint markers, but I'll be honest with you, it's so nubby, it's a little bit challenging. I put a little bit of white in the eyes just to give it some dimension and some personality. And then, yes, I distress the little nose, the carrot nose, just because that's what I do. You don't have to do that part. I put a little glue on the back, and then I glue it onto the can. You could use E6000 if you can do that. I can't, so I do what I can, right? I'm just putting little dots for the mouth. I'm using a Posca paint marker. Yes, I'm counting them because, 3, 5, and 7 is an obsession of mine. It's not an obsession. It's just, something I do. And then I go back and I just make those little dots a little bit bigger. I used a little dauber and some blush just to put a little bit of cute, little blush on the snowman. Man, I don't know why words are so hard today. They're hard every day. Who am I kidding? I did distress the can again. You don't have to do that part, but come on, look at how cute it looks. He looks like he's a little bit, a little bit from dirt and wear, whatever. Anyways, I took a piece of flannel that I tore and I tied it on the bottom. Now, for me, this is because I don't want to scratch my table or anything. So I actually glued the bottom, like I let it hang over just a little bit, and I glued that excess down to the can, just so that it gave a little bit of a little protection. And I put the hat on and stop it. Look how cute this is. Are you kidding me? Then you could put candy in it. Yes, I know. I hide candy everywhere in my house. It's great fun. But you could put other things in it, I suppose. Whatever. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.